In the last video, we finished building the bricks and game state controls. Today we'll do the on-screen display and scoring. For the display, we'll need 74151s in Nancy 5, Mary 5, Love 5, King 5, Henry 5, and Jack 4, a 7448 in Jack 5, a 555 in Baker 2, a 7427 in Mary 8, and a bunch of passives. Everything else is already there. Those 7448s are no longer manufactured, so we made a dual device footprint for both a real 7448 or a 16 Victor 8 type PLD. I created this CUPL script that takes in the 5 used inputs and puts out the correct 7 segment data. This part actually emits decent hex segments for input values above 9, even though it's not used in Breakout. We'll test both a real 7448 and our PLD today. I'll also drop the script and binary file for the PLD into GitHub. Power that up. We've got some bad overlay here, and player 1's score is missing. Looks like we've got a fake 7448. Thought I killed those off. Drop in a Motorola 248. Much better. Score digits are blank because we haven't installed the counters yet, so those inputs are floating high, and all ones produces blanks in 7448s. Let's swap that out with our PLD version. Nope. Yeah, this one. Looks better, and you can see it emits the proper hex, but player 1's score is still missing. Oh, I forgot to put in that 555, so the floating flash line was keeping the player up's score off. Start a 2-player game. Need to set that operational latch first. That flashing is way too fast. At least the player up number changed. I don't even like the built-in flash rate, but I probably swapped those capacitors. Nope, bad cap or marked incorrectly. That's better. Let's add the score stuff. We'll need the 74160 decade counters in Nancy 6, Mary 6, Love 6, Henry 6, Jack 6, and King 6. A 74123 in Nancy 8. A 74192 in Nancy 9, and a 7408 in Nancy 7. We'll also need the timing resistor R3. Remember that you can use a 193 here instead of a 192? It's only used as a down counter, and it's only ever loaded to a maximum of 7, so you don't need to buy this one-off part when a 193 will do. Try that out. The counters have random values. Start a new game. Everything gets properly reset. And every brick gets 9 points. Sounds familiar. I had to rewatch part 12 again to remind me to be careful buying parts. I still had one of those fake 192s lying around. Kill that off. That's much better. Alright, great. Everything's working fine so far, so we'll call it a day. In the next video, we'll get our sound back and also do the amplifier. Thanks for watching.